Welcome to the 6th edition of FlowDNA's Lockdown tutorial series. In this video, we'll be going through the 4 different timings and directions with double staves. Using some animated illustrations like these, I'm going to show you what those are. It's basically the relationship between 2 rotating objects. It looks a little different with staves, where we have 4 points relating to each other. For these illustrations, the green will be the thumb side and the orange will be the pinky side. Alrighty, so first we have same time, same direction, or what we like to call earth. This is what it looks like with staves. Next we have split time, same direction, or what we call water. Notice how the thumbs meet in the middle when the staves are horizontal and are opposing when vertical. Then we have same time, opposite direction, or what we call air. The thumbs meet in the middle as well, but are pointing in the same direction when vertical. Lastly is split time, opposite direction, what we call fire. The thumbs are opposing when vertical and face the same direction when horizontal. Now that we're acquainted with the modes of timing and direction, or elements, let's learn how to do them with staves. You'll need to be able to do forwards and backwards 1-beat reels with both hands, at your hips for this tutorial and at your shoulders for the next tutorial. Our previous tutorial will show you how. There's a link in the description. Let's start with earth. Starting with both staves at your hips with the thumbs pointing up, we'll move both the thumb ends down to the side, one pinky behind us and the other is out to the side. Then we'll move both thumbs down in front of us, with both pinkies up behind us. Then move the thumbs up to the other side, one pinky behind our back and the other pointing to the side, moving back to the first position to complete the rotation. With water, we'll start with horizontal staves, thumbs pointing towards each other with pinkies out. Move one of the thumbs down and the other one up, pinkies still behind. We then move the thumbs out to either side, pinkies meeting in the middle behind our back. Then continuing the momentum, we'll move one thumb up and the other down in front of us. Finally, we'll complete the rotation by moving back to the first position of the thumbs meeting in the middle. Focus on the ends meeting in the middle when trying this one with a smooth rotation. Next up we have air. Starting with both thumbs pointing up, move both thumbs in and down to meet in the middle, pinkies pointing out. Then we'll move the thumbs further down in front of us with pinkies pointing up behind our elbows. Next move the thumbs up, pointing out to either side with pinkies meeting behind. Finally we'll move back to thumbs pointing up to complete the rotation. Lastly we'll have fire. Starting with the staves horizontal, both thumbs pointing to one side, we'll move one thumb up and one thumb down to get to this position. Next move the thumbs to both point in the other direction, like this. Continuing with the momentum, we'll then move the staves to a vertical position, one thumb pointing up and the other pointing down. Finally we'll complete the rotation with both thumbs pointing in the starting direction. You can look at these as if the staves are jaws, chomping on either side of you. Chomp, chomp, chomp. We'll look at doing these at your shoulders and some transitions in our next video. Thanks for watching.